Let us see in this video how to register debit note for charging GST only. A debit note for charging GST only is issued when GST needs to be charged additionally on a previous recorded transaction where the tax was omitted or uncharged in the original invoice. This debit note adjusts only the tax component without altering the basic value of goods or services, ensuring correct tax reporting and compliance with GST regulation. Let us take one example. Party name is Abhirami Precision Works. Type as tax only. Accessible value 10,000. HSN RSAC code 87149990. Tax rate 12%. This slide shows debit note workflow approval process, which consists of two-level reviewing and approving. First and foremost, after entries given by the creator, the document will get forwarded to the supervisor. In order to review the document, once supervisor reviewed, the document will forwarded to the manager who has action to approve. So manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow would be. Let us log in with username and password of creator's login to create debit note for charging GST only. Click on Login button. Click on Financials. Click on Transaction. Click on Party Document. Navigating to the debit note screen. Click on Add button to create a new debit note for GST only purpose. The default location ID will be updated automatically based on the user, transaction settings. If required, you can manually change the location ID. The unit field will also update automatically according to the location mapped. Under the Type option, the following choices are available: Debit Note Deviation, Debit Note Others, Debit Note Purchase Return, Debit Note Supplementary Invoice. Debit Note Deviation. A debit note deviation is issued when there is a difference in the value of a purchase, sales transaction due to rate, quantity, quality variation, identified after the original invoices. It is used to adjust the invoice amount and ensure accurate accounting and tax reporting. Debit Note Others. The Debit Note Others is issued for non-standard adjustments, non-related to price, quantity, return transaction, such as service charges, penalty, freight difference, other commercial reasons. It allows for flexible correction of supplier customer accounts. Debit Note. For purchase return. Debit Note Purchase Return is created when goods are returned to the supplier after purchasing due to defects, damage, other reasons. It reduces the supplier's payable amount and reverses the corresponding stock and tax entries in the ERP system. Debit Note for Supplementary Invoice. A debit note for supplementary invoice is used when an additional charge needs to be made to a supplier or customer after original invoice, such as price revision, omitted charges, or additional taxes. It supplements the original invoice for correct billing and complaints. Debit Note Others document prefix will get updated automatically. Choose the document date in Date Calendar. Choose the party. Currency will get updated automatically. Goods type will update address without goods. Click on Save button. Document will get generated. Location ID and unit will be autofilled based on the original transaction. The debit note document prefix and number will be generated automatically as per the document series setup. The debit note prefix and date will also be updated automatically. The debit note type will be set as Debit Note Others. Party ID, party name and party details will be auto-populated from the selected document. In the Reason field, choose the appropriate reason of issuing debit note. To add the tax detail, click on Add button. In the Type field, select the tax only. Enter the accessible value in the Price field. Choose the HSN RSAC code. Click on Save button. The tax rate will be updated automatically on the selected HSN RSAC code. Based on the transaction location, the system will apply the correct tax component automatically. In the transaction is interstate, the IGST amount will be updated. If the transaction is intrastate, the CGST and HGST amount will be updated. Choose the debit note prefix. Click on Create Invoice Number. Debit note next number will get generated. Click on Update Narration. Narration will get updated automatically. If required, we can edit the narration. Click on Create Journal checkbox. Journal will get created. To review the journal, click on View Journal button. Party account will get debited. Tax account will get credited. To forward the document to the reviewer, click on Post button. Click OK. Document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigating to the reviewer's login, click on Login button. Navigating to the approval screen, to review the document, click on Detail button. Once document has been reviewed, click on Approve to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. Document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigating to the manager's login, click on Login button. Navigating to the approval screen, to review the document, click on Detail button. Once document has been reviewed, click on Approve to approve the document. Click OK. Document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.